Welcome to our tutorial on how to start a career in artificial intelligence. In this video, we will cover the necessary steps you should take to pursue a career in this exciting field, as well as the different subfields and skills that are essential for success. First, let's define what artificial intelligence, AI, is. AI refers to the ability of a machine to mimic human-like intelligence, including the ability to learn, problem solve, and make decisions. There are many subfields within AI, each requiring a unique set of skills and expertise. These subfields include machine learning. This subfield focuses on developing algorithms and models that allow machines to learn from data and make predictions or decisions. Skills needed for a career in machine learning include programming, statistics, and the ability to work with large datasets. Natural language processing. This subfield involves using AI to process, understand, and generate human language. Skills needed for a career in natural language processing include programming, linguistics, and the ability to work with large text datasets. Robotics. This subfield involves the design and development of robots that can interact with the physical world. Skills needed for a career in robotics include programming, engineering, and the ability to design and build hardware. Now that we have a better understanding of the different subfields within AI, let's discuss the steps you should take to start a career in this field. Education. The first step to any career is education. To start a career in AI, you should have a strong foundation in math and computer science. This can be achieved through a bachelor's or master's degree in a related field, such as computer science, data science, or electrical engineering. It is also helpful to take courses in the specific subfield of AI you are interested in, as well as programming languages such as Python and R. Skills. In addition to a solid education, there are certain skills that are essential for a career in AI. These include programming skills, problem-solving skills, and the ability to work with large and complex datasets. It is also important to stay up to date with the latest developments in the field, which can be achieved through continuous learning and staying connected to the AI community. Experience. As with any career, hands-on experience is crucial for success in AI. This can be gained through internships, projects, and participating in hackathons and competitions. You can also gain experience by working on personal projects and contributing to open-source projects related to AI. Networking. Building a network of connections in the AI industry is important for finding job opportunities and staying informed about the latest developments in the field. You can do this by joining professional organizations, attending conferences and events, and connecting with professionals on LinkedIn and other online platforms. Job search. Once you have the necessary education, skills, and experience, it's time to start your job search. There are many job opportunities in the AI field, including positions in research, development, and applied AI. It is helpful to tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight your relevant skills and experiences. You can search for jobs on job boards, through recruiters, and by reaching out to companies directly. In conclusion, starting a career in artificial intelligence requires a strong foundation in education, specific skills and experience, and a well-developed network. By following these steps and focusing on a specific subfield within AI, you can begin your journey towards a rewarding career in this exciting field.